Alright, so we were on our way over to Tennessee on Friday, and I mean probably some of the worst wind that I've ever driven in. And man, no kidding, we were driving just past Newport, getting ready to get off the interstate, and all of a sudden we heard the biggest bang and then scrapes up on the roof. And I thought, what in the world could that be? Man, I was trying to think, did it just rip the satellite dish off or the antenna? Well, no. It ripped the shroud for the air conditioner off. And I mean, ripped it off, but good. So this is what it looks like when your complete shroud just completely blows off. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have a cover on it. But as you can see, the front doesn't. So today, we're going to be replacing that. Now, to be fair, this is the only piece that survived, and you can totally see that it was kind of ready for the break. But so it's time for a new one, I guess. Now, one of the things my Discovery has is a solar panel, just a small one, up here on the roof, and it's a trickle charger for the battery. So as you know, when you park your rig somewhere, this solar panel does run power down to the batteries just to maintain just a very small charge. There's actually an indicator light on the air return down in the den that actually tells you if the panel is charging or not. So you can see here's that little panel, a little solar panel that is a trickle charger. So we will get the rest of this off, which is useless now. So the next thing you do is this foam piece comes and actually sticks onto the back of your coil. Alright, so on this particular model, it includes some lock nuts that we're not going to need because this takes bolts, but we are going to replace put those in my pocket. But we are going to replace these plastic spacers with the stainless washers that were included in the kit. So let's put those in the satellite dish real quick. Washers and bolts. Okay, so that went through real nicely, and now we'll thread the power cord. Alright, so that's good. So now we'll take our and that's all there is to it. And now, shroud is back over the air conditioner. Okay, so if you ever run into this problem and you have to replace the shroud on your air conditioner, now you know how. I hope this helped you. Make sure and get out there and do some RVing. Make sure you church on Sunday.